All right, hey, Josh here, Attica Lumber. Actually, we're up here on Johnson Island, and to kind of give you some historical perspective here, actually, we'll look at this pole barn, but Johnson Island, just real close here to the lake area, but this actually was a prisoner of war camp for the Confederate. This is where the American Civil War, they stockpiled the Confederates. But we're looking at this building right here. You can see 812 pitch on this. And I want to share with you something that we do quite often here. You can see this under construction, but you may want to consider doing this in your own post frame, but we do this a lot for clearance purposes. You can see right here, check this out if you've been following along. Look at that, we set up these scissor trusses. You see how these scissor trusses give the owner more clearance, and then we go back to a standard truss. So a unique way to get some headroom by using the scissor truss, get some clearance. If you got an RV or maybe a boat or something of that nature, to give you more headroom. And so a good maximization, utilization of space. But you can see right here on this site here, we actually put a double baseboard on this. We had to grade this up, but you can see we put a double baseboard on this. And then this owner chose 3-ply laminated columns. Again, we just cut a video, actually a little bit bigger building, a 60 by 80, but 3-ply laminated columns. Again, the structural strength right here, pressure point 1, pressure point 2, pressure point 3. And why would you use this versus a 4x6 or 6x6? Well, it stays straighter. A 3-ply laminated or 4-ply laminated, it stays straighter. Straighter. And obviously that would keep the building structurally sound. So, building under progress right here. You can see this owner's got privacy windows going on right here. House wrap attached, but we'll come back. Obviously, we'll knock this out. And then let's go over here and I'll show you just the color. But you can see right here, Johnson Island, as I go out here, the lake right here, over there. So, nice setup, very nice setup. So let's go over here and kind of give you an idea what this color is going to shape out to be. Nice area. If you want to kind of relocate, move to up in Ohio by the lake, this is where you want to be. A lot of good places, Ottawa, Marblehead, Lakeside, obviously Johnson Island, very private oasis retreat here. You can see what this building is going to look like, but we'll keep you up to date. For more questions, comments, you can follow us at atticalumber.com, or you can call us 49426-BARN. Attica Lumber since 1925.